Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Visual Studio and the Sqlite library so you can focus on code immediately. Install the matching workload for your language, then add the system. Data, Sqlite or Microsoft. Data, Sqlite new get package, this gives you a do. Net APIs. Create a local DB file inside the project and set its copy to output directory property so it deploys with builds. Once done, open program, CS or your main source file, and add the using statements for the Sqlite provider so you can compile fast. Now you implement the core database actions. Open a connection, run commands, and map results. Use an explicit Sqlite connection and a connection string like data source equals my app. DB, mode equals read write create, so you control file creation. Prepare an Sqlite command for create/insert/select and always add parameters instead of concatenating strings to prevent injection. Once the command executes, read results with Sqlite Data Reader or use Dapper or Entity Framework Core to map rows to objects. Finish by making your operations robust. Wrap write sequences in an Sqlite transaction and commit only when all commands succeed, otherwise roll back. Set Pragma Journal mode equals WAL and a busy timeout to reduce contention when multiple threads or processes access the file. Make sure to close and dispose connections with using blocks so handles aren't leaked. If things go wrong, check file permissions, validate the connection string path, and inspect logged exceptions. Addressing those three usually resolves most Sqlite and Visual Studio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.